Hello there! Let's learn how you can use the Porous Media tool to create things like filters and grates in your Inspire Fluids models. We'll use this simplified catalytic converter model to demonstrate. We'll start by creating the fluid domain. The default settings in the micro dialog are fine for this demonstration. Now we need to create our filter. In the upper left corner of the modeling area, you can see that there's a fluid part and an undefined part. We'll hide the fluid part to make the undefined part visible. Next, we'll click the Porous Media tool and select the undefined part to be our porous material. In the micro dialog, we can change the physical properties of the porous part. The default settings for specific heat, conductivity, and porosity will work for our purposes, but we'll set viscous resistance to 10,000 per square meter and inertial resistance to 1,000 per meter. We can choose between isotropic and unidirectional material. We'll select unidirectional. Now we need to set the flow direction. We'll click the flow direction button and select a face on the porous part. If needed, we can change the direction of the fluid flow through the porous part, but we don't need to do that today. Let's keep the flow's angle at 0 degrees and exit the tool. Now we just need to unhide the fluid domain so we can create an inlet and an outlet. The default settings for these boundary conditions are fine for this demonstration. When we've set the inlet and outlet, we'll run a fluids analysis. We'll jump right to the data. The streamline animations will give us insights into how the fluid will behave. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Altair How To for more tips on getting the most out of your Inspire products.